Here's a rare chance to own a 1928 Dodge Brothers Victory 6 Roadster, available in Oxnard for $7,500. This classic is powered by a 6-cylinder gas engine paired with a manual transmission and shows 67,988 miles on the odometer. Wearing its primer gray, this convertible features an all-steel body and still carries a clean title. The seller notes it was running when parked and comes mostly complete, from wind wings to top irons, though the seat springs and top bows are missing. With only about 15 known to exist, this Dodge stands out dramatically from the usual Ford Roadsters you see at car meets. Condition is described as good with very little rust and some extra parts included, a solid candidate for either a restoration project or just driving as is. Club support is available for enthusiasts, and the seller emphasizes a firm price and no trades. If you're looking for a unique vintage car with character and history, check the link in the description for more information and photos. Here's a true classic, the 1955 Pontiac Star Chief, up for grabs in Jefferson City, Missouri for $6,000. This vintage sedan sports a V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission, a winning combination for those looking to relive the golden age of American cruising. With 78,551 miles on the odometer, this survivor shows honest patina from decades of enjoyment. The seller describes the body as very solid, though the brown paint is naturally aged and weathered. It's running and driving well, and the power steering and power brakes should make for a comfortable ride, a relative rarity in mid-50s classics. The vacuum wipers aren't working, which is a common fix on these old beauties, but otherwise this car is ready to pile in friends and hit the road for a nostalgic drive. The Star Chief offers clean, straightforward fun for anyone looking to either restore it to original glory or just enjoy it as an honest time capsule. It comes with a clear title, underscoring its value as a vintage driver. If you're drawn to authentic 1950s American cars or want a solid platform for restoration, check the link in the description for more information and photos. Here's a 1968 Dodge D100, currently listed for $5,500 in Greeley, Colorado. This classic pickup sports a distinct yellow paint job and is described by the seller as running well and in good working order. It features a 6-cylinder gas engine mated to a manual transmission and has a reported 24,000 miles on the odometer, which is on the low side for a truck of this era. Ideal for those looking to enjoy some vintage driving or even consider a restoration project. The overall condition is noted as good, and the clean title offers peace of mind when it comes to ownership history. With its forward drive and iconic late 60s styling, the D100 stands out for enthusiasts who appreciate dependable classics with authentic character. Whether you're after a daily classic driver or a rewarding project, this pickup checks a lot of boxes for old-school truck fans. Interested in learning more or seeing photos? Take a look at the link in the description for all the details. Up for grabs is a 1969 Volkswagen Beetle, listed at $4,800 and located in Mead, Washington, with a clean title and a fair designation. The car sports a classic black paint job with 205,000 miles on the odometer and rear-wheel drive, paired with a manual transmission, true to its vintage roots. Though currently non-running after sitting 5 years, it ran when parked. The Beetle will need a fresh battery, fuel flush, tires, and a basic tune-up. The body is straight with only typical, non-structural rust for its age, and the interior requires a thorough cleaning. This car offers an original feel and presence, ready for someone looking to restore or revive a piece of automotive history, whether for a nostalgia-filled daily driver or a fun project. Explore the link in the description for more details and photos. Up for grabs in Hinesburg, Vermont is this classic 1968 Jeep CJ5, priced at $7,000. Sporting a rare Dauntless V6 engine paired with a Ford T18 4-speed manual transmission, this vintage 4x4 comes with a Holley 4-barrel carb, a fiberglass body, fenders, and hood. Ideal for summer adventures or as a starting point for a restoration. It sits on a mild lift kit, adding to its rugged aesthetic. The odometer reads just 1, indicative of either a restoration reset or unknown mileage, while its good condition reflects both mechanical soundness and visually appealing modifications. However, the title is listed as missing, though the seller claims to have past registration paperwork to help with titling. Whether you're an enthusiast seeking a unique weekend cruiser or want a solid project, this CJ5 offers excitement, vintage appeal, and modification potential. Check the link in the description for more info and photos. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of British motoring history. A 1954 MG Magnette ZA, offered at just $10,000 in Winchester, Massachusetts. Featuring its original right-hand drive configuration, this early production ZA comes with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired to a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Displaying 77,546 miles on the odometer. Finished in classic red, it sits in fair condition and boasts a clean title. The car's single-family provenance adds to its story. The current seller is only the second owner since its direct UK import. Unique characteristics set it apart. It's said to be among the first 1,600 Magnettes ever built, distinguished by a metal dash with wood-grain decals, a period-correct expedient to get these elegant sedans to market quickly. The sale also includes a spare bonnet and a driver's front door, increasing its restoration appeal. This Magnette ZA is a true barn find, perfect for a dedicated restoration or as a rewarding vintage driver for those who appreciate classic automotive craftsmanship. Follow the link in the description for more details and photos. This listing features two Ford F-350 flatbed trucks. The first is a 1969 Ford F-350 with a 360 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a clean title and a solid foundation for restoration. It runs and drives well, having received numerous new parts, including the carburetor, distributor, wires, plugs, coil, starter, and battery. The second truck is a 1975 Ford F-350, also with a 360 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, but it comes without a title, intended as a parts truck. The trucks are priced together for $5,000 and are located in Irmo, South Carolina. The vehicles are in fair condition with 89,000 miles, making them an appealing option for restoration enthusiasts or those seeking a vintage driver project. Be sure to check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air is a project car roller with no motor or transmission. Priced at $3,900, it's located in Pinellas Park, Florida, and offers a clean Florida title, ready for a new owner. The car is set up for hydraulics, featuring 2 pumps and a battery switch box. It has 68,965 miles on the odometer, and with 8 cylinders and a rear-wheel drive system, this classic is a great foundation for restoration. The transmission is listed as other, making it versatile for modifications. It's perfect for anyone looking for a vintage project or a car to restore into a classic driver. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 is a solid classic with 47,000 original miles, offered for $3,500. The car features a rebuilt 324 BBL rocket engine, factory power steering, and Hydromatic automatic transmission. It also retains its original rear end and 4-wheel manual drum brakes. The body, floors, and rockers are in very solid condition, making it a great option for restoration or as a vintage driver. The factory clock still works, and the car has been converted to an alternator. The radiator has been restored, and the gas tank was cleaned and sealed. The transmission shifts smoothly, but the brakes need attention as the pedal goes to the floor. The seller also offers a parts car, a second 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88, for an additional $1,000. Clean BC registration. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1937 Willys Slantback is priced at $7,000 and located in Hayward, California. The vehicle is in fair condition, featuring an iconic all-steel four-door body, perfect for a restoration project or as a base for a gasser, hot rod, or street machine. The car has a rear-wheel drive (RWD) setup and runs on gasoline. It has an odometer reading of 1 million miles, but the engine, transmission, and seats are missing. The title is marked as missing, and the sale will be through a bill of sale only. This classic car offers a great opportunity for vintage car enthusiasts or anyone looking to restore a piece of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1968 Ford F-250 Ranger pickup is a classic long bed, 2WD, single cab offered at $4,500 in Kent, Washington. It features a 460 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a floor-mounted shifter, both sourced from a later model, providing robust power and modern shifting. Odometer reads 100,000 miles, and the truck holds a clean title. The project was started but never finished. The seller pulled the original tank, purchased a new gas tank, which is still in the box, and grabbed a carb kit for tuning, both included. It sports fresh Ultra wheels and new tires that really suit the truck style. Known for its desirable bump side body, this F-250 comes with a lockbox in the bed and a well-worn patina, perfect for restoration or a rat rod enthusiast. It's honest, straight, and waiting for a new owner, but will need to be towed or trailered. Interested in reviving a vintage gem or building an eye-catching driver? See more info and photos at the link in the description. Up for sale in Redlands, California is a 1964 Ford Ranchero with a 260 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, currently priced at $5,600. Sporting 86,000 miles on the odometer, this classic comes equipped with a clean title and current tags, making it an attractive option for vintage car enthusiasts or project seekers. The Ranchero is in fair condition. It runs and drives well, though the body and paint show age, with cracked paint and rust on the driver's side floor. The truck bed is solid and the body remains straight, offering a great foundation for those looking to restore or personalize a classic. If cosmetic improvements are on your agenda, the seller can offer restoration services, thanks to in-house expertise at their body shop. Trades for older or higher-value cars are also welcome, but bikes are off the table. Whether you want a distinctive daily driver or a rewarding restoration project, this 1964 Ford Ranchero is worth a closer look. Curious? Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1941 Chevrolet Fleetmaster is priced at $8,000 and is located in Covina, California. The vehicle is powered by a rebuilt 250 engine and features an automatic transmission, making it ready to drive. It boasts a clean title and a low odometer reading of just 1,000 miles. Standout features include air ride suspension, power brakes, tubular control arms, and wood-grain dash and interior panels. This classic car offers a great opportunity for restoration or as a vintage driver. If you're looking for a project or a piece of automotive history, this Fleetmaster might be the one for you. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. Up for grabs is a 1965 Ford Ranchero, a classic blend of pickup utility and vintage car charm, offered at $7,500 in Tempe, Arizona. Finished in a sleek black, this Southern California barn find stands out with its remarkably clean body and no visible rust, rare for its age. Under the hood, you'll find a classic straight six-cylinder engine that currently runs on starting fluid, paired with an automatic transmission for effortless cruising. The odometer shows just 1,000 miles, likely post-restoration or engine work, offering potential peace of mind to an enthusiast. Sporting new tires and a new gas tank, this Ranchero remains in good condition, and a clean title adds security to the deal. Additional extras and parts sweeten the package for those seeking a reliable project or an affordable vintage daily driver. With its ready canvas and undeniable retro appeal, this Ranchero could easily become a standout at car shows or a practical piece of Ford history for any collector. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This 1950 Jaguar Saloon is a unique classic car priced at $4,500. Located in Santa Clara, California, it features a six-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car has 50,000 miles on the odometer and is in good condition with a clean title and current tags and plates. Notable for its restoration efforts, the car runs and drives, with plenty of parts included such as front and rear glass, bumpers, guards, headlights, and window frames. The brakes have been updated, and no rust is present. This car offers a great opportunity for someone interested in restoring a vintage vehicle or enjoying a classic car drive. Check the link in the description for more details and photos.